All of the offshore resources in the world won't reduce your cost if you don't nail your scope first. One small example of an option that I find helps a lot with sort of roughing in the scope of your MLP or your V1 is something I kind of call the demo script method. Learned this from a client years ago and sort of adapted it and use it pretty frequently. And it's pretty straightforward. In general, what you want to do is think about, okay, when I build this product and I'm ready to start showing it to users and potential customers, if I have a meeting with them and I'm going to walk them through the product, what am I going to show them? And just think through it step by step. Things that are very basic. I'm going to log in. I'm going to use an email to log in. I'm going to go to the home page. I'm going to click here. I'm going to show this. I'm going to add a user. Like whatever that path would be that you're going to demonstrate to your users when you have a working version, write that down in your demo script. I find that putting it in a Google Sheet is a great format for that instead of like a Google Doc or a Word doc, because later on you can use it to help track statuses. You can even import it into tools like Jira, that kind of thing. Other people can collaborate, add notes. It's easy to do inserting and move things around, that kind of stuff. So just think through like a demo script. I'm sitting down with my target audience. I'm going to show them how great this product is. Step by step, what am I going to do? And one of the other byproducts of creating this in this format, it's a great artifact to share with your QA lead. And so I talk about the concept of what I call bookending between a product owner and a QA lead, where if you've got the product visionary or the product owner setting the direction, and then you've got the QA person who's really well aligned with that product owner, then you know that as things are going through the development process in each sprint, and QA is testing those things on the other end of the sprint, you've got a great first line of defense to help make sure that what is expected is what's getting built, right? And so the demo script option is a great tool where the product owner and maybe the QA lead can collaborate on creating what that outline looks like, and that helps create alignment for them as sort of a basis. It's not the only tool that you're going to need. I don't think it replaces the needs for other ways of documenting requirements, but it's a great way to get a large portion of the scope flushed out in a pretty easy approach.